Namaste everyone. My name is Deepak and today in this video we're gonna learn how to practice Trikonasana with correct alignment. Trikonasana falls under standing lateral extension. So what lateral extension mean is where the lateral sides of your body are evenly extended. And another meaning of Trikonasana is certain organs or certain parts of our body, they make a triangular shape whilst we are in the pose. So that is we consider as Trikonasana. Alright, so before we go into Trikonasana or we practice Trikonasana, I would like to say a bit about asana, why asanas are very important in yogic practices. So according to yoga, through the practice of asana, we can easily access our body, and one cannot think about having a weak or having an unhealthy body and to penetrate the mind or to having a stable mind. So in order to have a stable mind, we should have a healthy body, and for that we have our asanas practices to have healthy body and as well as a healthy mind to pursue to higher level of yoga practices. For the yoga or asana practices, no one is considered as too old or too sick. If someone have any health condition or someone is older, so we have different modification of each and every asana, or we have different kinds of props or yoga props like chair, bolsters, blocks to support the body of practitioner so they can get a same benefit as a normal practitioner can have. Okay, now we will practice Trikonasana. So there is always three segments in asana whilst we are practicing it: how to go into the pose, how to sustain the pose, and how to come out of the pose with correct alignment. Alright, so before we go into Trikonasana, we start from the Samastiti Tadasana, which is a standing pose where you are standing equally on both your feet. So you stand with both your feet together, descending your heels down, spreading all your toes evenly away from each other. From there, you lift your kneecaps up into the knee joint, pushing your thighs back. At the same time, you're releasing your buttocks down towards your heels. Now, extend the sides of your trunk up towards your armpits. Roll both your shoulders back and extend your arms down. Now, from Samastiti Tadasana, as you breathe in, you bring both your palms on the top of your chest, bend your knees and jump your feet about 4 feet apart. Now, from here, you place both your palms on your hips and you look down whether your toes are in line with each other and the outer edges of your feet are parallel to the outer edges of your mats. From here, you lift the sides of your trunk up towards your armpit, keep your chest lifted, roll both your elbows back and in towards each other so your back ribs can move in. From here, we're gonna turn our right heel in slightly and the toes out 90 degree in an angle. Now when you turn your foot out to the side 90 degree angle, make sure you turn from the top part of your thigh, which is connected to your hip joint. From there, you rotate your entire leg out to the side, from the thighs till your foot. From here, you extend both your arms out to the side in line with your shoulders. Now, you extend your right arm up away from your right hip. Breathe in. As you breathe out, you keep extending your right arm towards the right side and go down. Hold your ankle with your right hand and keep your left arm in line with your left shoulder. Now to maintain the pose, you press both your heels down, raise your kneecaps up, roll both your thighs out away from each other. You turn your abdomen and your chest up to face ceiling. Then roll both your shoulders back. Now maintain the back of your head in line with your buttocks. Then you turn from the back of your head and look up towards the ceiling. and stay there. Now from here, to come out of the pose, you extend your left arm up and come. Turn your right foot in and step or jump your feet together. Now let's go through some common mistakes and how we can correct those common mistakes by using props. So as you go into the pose, there's a tendency that your chest and your abdomen will fall down and your hip tend to collapse. Now the second mistake is you get that length in your left side, but there's a tendency of losing that length on the right side of your body if you are doing it on the right side. So how to correct that, we will see that. Now for that, what we can do is we can use a chair. Okay, so you take a chair and place it on your right side on your sticky mat. Now let's go through the asana same way as we did before. So you stand in Samasthiti Tadasana, fingers on top chest, breathe in. As you breathe out, you jump your foot wide apart, about 4 feet apart. Then you align your toes and your outer foot same way as we did before. From here you turn your right heel in and toes out and turn the left foot in slightly. Okay, so now from here you extend your right arm up. As you exhale, you keep maintaining that extension through the right side of your trunk, and you go down by extending your arm and place your palm on the chair which is kept on the right side. For now, you place your left palm on your hip. Now you can see that my chest is lifted and the back of my head is in line with my buttocks. I'm not collapsing to the front. Now you can see that the right side of my trunk, I'm maintaining that extension through the right side of my trunk as well. And then you extend your left arm up, turn from the back of your head and look up straight in line with your eyes. To come out of the pose, you inhale, extend your left arm and come out, turn your foot in and step or jump your legs together.
If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching.